Why are you coming in to get adjusted? Upper back pain?
Upper middle back pain.
Why do you think your back's hurting you?
Stress.
Stress.
There's a few names involved. There's Tiffany, there's Paige, there's Kate. Probably just my work.
Okay, for sure. What do you do for work?
I'm a general manager and I do a lot of photography and video work.
Okay, yeah, so just a lot of stress, tightness in the back?
Yes.
All right. Press your elbow back.
Oh, that was amazing. Oh. Still alive, yay. Okay, we're good. Oh yeah, that was good. That was good, that was good. It was a good one.